Dropping the ROV down there. And that little level that you were looking at just kind of doubles around the corner.
Do we do it from down there?
No, we do it from here. Because if we go there, we'll be in the water and we'll murk it all up.
Right,
so we'll just lower it down from here, I think, if you're happy to do that.
Absolutely.
Obviously.
Yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Again.
Yeah, yeah. Take two.
Take two, yeah. That's all there, that's there.
Our key to exploring all of these flooded mines, isn't it?
Oh, it's not a pro, it's an expert. V6 expert, sorry.
V6 expert, there it is.
There's it. My mistake. Okay.
Okay, let's ROV.
It's there. Plop.
There we go. Nice.
That's it.
Right. Okay.
There's a level.
Cool.
Let's go.
Let's go for it.
It's a stope, is it?
Yeah, big stope.
Very big stope. There's a level down there.
Oh yeah, there's something, isn't there?
Yeah. We're on a level.
Ooh. On the rubble floor. Oh, it opens up even more. Look at all that.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So which way are we going? That way or that way? I'm not sure. That way, okay. The level going that way was about half a mile long. So if we can get it, yeah, it was a long, long level. Connected a bunch of other loads.
Unfortunately, we don't have half a mile of cable.
We'll just go, we'll settle with 50 metres.
Yeah, 100.
100 metres.
100
metres.
Dead end.
Ooh, must still be above it then. Or debris. Let's go up there and see if it goes up and over. Because it might just be a big pile. Yeah, let's go up there. Oh, hang on, this is the level. We're in the level. We're in the level.
Yeah.
Oh, we're in the level. Oh,
I love it.
Yes, we're in the level.
I love your excitement.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, mate.
Completely unexplored.
Whoa. Are those, like, with the old miner's boot prints on the floor?
I thought they were boot prints, but...
Is it just like the mud settling? Yeah. Are we definitely going that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Get this.
I don't want to...
Don't touch the floor.
There. No,
yeah,
it's not.
no. Don't touch the
Bit
floor.
all over the place a little bit.
Yeah. No rail, but it might just be covered in the mud.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Oh, I like it. I like it.
What was that?
Oh, a little
Did you hear
rock.
that?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. So we've gotten from the end of the stope, and they're now just driving on the load to see if it gets any better.
Yeah.
They haven't stoped it. Ooh, is that the end?
I think it turns.
It turns. Oh, it turns. So they're going all over the place trying to find the load again.
Right.
Oh,
No
wow.
artifacts.
Nothing yet. God, it goes and it goes and it goes.
We're going to run out of cable.
I know, right? This is the half-mile long level, though, so... Well, I think it is.
Bit of a bumpy ride.
Oh, I wish we could get down there. What's this? It's just rock, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, mate.
Sure, it does look like footprints.
Yeah, they do.
But it's not, though.
No, it can't be. Oh, look at this level.
Amazing.
But we're going to have to stop soon. God, look at it. Meanders all over the shop.
I reckon you might have another 10 metres.
Okay. Oh, left. No, just rock pattern. No,
Yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
false
yeah.
alarm.
No, that's okay.
My imagination's running
I
wild.
bet it is.
Look at this. Oh, look at this beauty. No rails on the floor, though.
No, maybe they're under the mud.
They could be under the mud, you're right.
Would you not see a pattern?
You would. I'm thinking they only used wheelbarrows in there. It doesn't seem wide enough for a tramway.
We're coming to the end of the cable.
Yeah, a little bit more. God, what a pretty level.
We're stuck. No, we're off
No,
again.
we're all right. God, look at that thing. This is the first time anyone's been here since the 1880s.
All in twists and turns. It's having a problem pulling the cable.
Yeah, it might be a bit long. We're almost at the end now, anyway.
Do you think?
Well, not the level, but the cable, yeah.
Oh, the level's half a mile.
The level's half a mile long, yeah. This is awesome. We've actually gotten into the level. Wow.
What's the other way? We're going to do that, yeah?
Check it out.
It's impressive to see that we first...
Oh, look. Okay, whoa. Look up. There's a shot hole there. I
Yes,
want to see
see
which
it?
way... Which way... Yeah, it's going that way, isn't it? They
Yeah,
must have
yeah.
drilled it that way,
We're
yeah.
going
So we're
in.
going in by. We're
Mhm.
going in by. Okay. And turns left. God, it goes on forever, doesn't
Do
it?
you reckon you'll be able to map this from our footage?
That's precisely what I'm going to try and do. I've got the mine plans, so I'm going to try, if you send me this footage, I'm going to take note of what ways it curves, and then I'm going to try and get it on the mine plan.
Right.
And then we can post the picture on YouTube for people to see then, if they
That's
want.
the end.
It goes to the left.
It's struggling to pull the
Yeah,
cable.
it's so many twists and turns, isn't it? Can we just look round the corner?
It's not dabbing it.
No.
Uh-oh. Let's turn round.
Yeah, let's
Far
just
from
go
home
back.
to lose directions.
Yeah, let's just go back.
Oh, it's up this way.
Oh yeah, you're on the floor.
Yeah.
There we are.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, just go straight
Oh, yeah,
down. There.
saved it. Saved the day.
There we are. Okay, so go slow again on the way back, so I can double check all the turns and twists and whatever. It's nice and gentle. There we are.
Is it coming in the cable though?
No, it's a bit tight. I don't want.
It's on the bends, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is taut. So
Not much to see on the way back because it's all misted up.
yeah, it is a bit, isn't it?
My driving skills ain't very good today.
Out of practice.
Yeah. Can't wait to see what's the other way.
I know, right?
Oh,
Wow,
that's so cool.
it's a lovely
Oh,
level.
they were out the mist now.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
Wow,
level.
Yeah. How old do you say it was?
This was about 1850s, 1860s. This it was not that old.
Is this on that giant map?
It is. Yeah, I think it is. It's called the 20 fathom level. So it's 20 fathom levels below where we are now. See the shot holes there? It's 20 fathom level. Or 22. Might be 22.
Not a single artifact.
Nothing.
No tools.
Nothing.
Unless it's all buried in the sill.
Yeah. Yep, nothing. Look at all the shot holes.
Yeah,
We're seeing all of them.
They're coming this way.
Yeah,
the-
so we're going out by again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
against us. They're coming against us.
that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
that poor old
Another
legs.
cool thing is we're the first to see this for a long time.
Yeah, no, nothing has been down here since the last miners
Oh, I've
left.
seen something.
Stop.
Did you see that? now?
There was, yeah, on the floor. Down. Oh, it's the base of a barrel, is it?
Or a kibble. Barrel,
Or
barrel.
yeah, or barrel or something. Yeah, yeah.
What's
Can you bet
that?
it? Can a bit closer to it? Yeah. Something sitting on it.
Definitely iron there. Isn't
Yeah, there's something there. Yeah, yeah. I remember when we did this and we found that box, the explosives box once, didn't we?
Imagine all these tallow candles and clay pipes just hidden in this wall in here.
Ooh, yeah,
And all the
yeah.
engravings we're passing.
Oh,
Just imagine it.
oh.
Ah,
Okay, so we're going back into the stope now. So,
right, I see where I am.
yep, so we're back into the stope. So we've got to go up and over and down the other side now to get into the level going that way. So we've got to navigate our way back through this stope.
There we are. I'm over that bit.
Brilliant. So we're going to go underneath us.
There's our torches.
Hey, there's our torches. Oh, man.
I got a little bit of resistance. resistance on the cable that hasn't really, make sure we don't get looped around.
Let's look and see what's the cable doing. Oh, I got it. It's on the other side of the stole, that's what it is.
Yeah, I've come the wrong way. Right?
Yeah, just go back and go around the other side. Stopping it. Oh, it's this rock. It's just this rock here. This overhang.
I'll let it out a little bit. And then try again.
Okay, and now I'll spin around
That's
and
it,
try it
stay
again.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
There we are. It just caught on that lip.
Yeah,
There we
it's
are.
got it.
Cool. Okay, so that's the level there. So we now got to go through the stope
Yeah.
and down the other side.
Hopefully it's open.
If it's open.
Fingers crossed.
Precisely.
Toes crossed and everything.
Yeah.
And it looks open to me. Oh no, that's the way.
So we're going uphill now.
Is the
Yeah.
right side of the stall?
Yeah. Yes, it's open.
Right, hold on a sec. Make sure that it's not down. I don't think it is, but just look.
No.
Down,
No,
down.
it isn't.
No, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
Definitely isn't.
Over the top then.
Is that false floor?
Yeah, it's a platform it's a stall in the stope, isn't it? Yeah. So over there.
There's our torches.
Oh, we're right up. Yeah, there we are. So up and up and up.
Hang on a minute.
Oh, we're at the surface.
That is it.
Oh, that's it. We're at the surface. The collapse comes all the way up to the surface.
That is it.
Okay. Well, there's another pool, but it's over. Yeah, I think that's it. I can see it. The collapse comes all the way up to the surface.
Can you see the ROV?
Yeah, it's right here. It's on the surface of the water. So the collapse comes all the way up to the top.
There it is, I heard it.
Yeah, it's right there. You can probably see my torch if you look up.
There we are.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey. Well, how about that then, folks?
Wow, that was some level.
Yeah.
That was some level. That was long.
We ran out of cable.
Yeah, but the thing is, even if we had more, it probably would have gotten tangled sooner or
think
later
on
because
the
all of
bends.
those bends,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it was like dragging.
There's the stall there, look.
Yeah, let's just have a look around here for a bit then.
Yeah,
since we're
absolutely.
yeah, just
Dive,
to
dive.
show everyone what's there.
Let's make sure we haven't missed anything.
Yeah,
right
we're
here.
going to back down again. Yeah, because the water's not too bad.
So it seems to go really deep by here.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, hang on a minute.
Yeah, that's where we came straight up.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, so the level's back down there because we were looking at this. You can see the exposure of the load. That's the load right there.
Yeah.
There, that's the load. If you reverse back, that's yeah. And then the level's down there, down the scree slope. So this scree slope comes all the way up to the surface. So we're going down it now. Make sure that we haven't missed anything.
It's not there. It's very, very deep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I recognise the way we went now. So unfortunately, it's blocked the other way.
Yeah, it's blocked the other way because of all this,
Mm.
all that scree.
That's a shame.
Yeah, that level was nice though.
Yeah.
Shame no artifacts, but it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. No.
That was still a cool
Oh,
level.
look. Hang on a minute. Oh, no, this is the surface, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
It just keeps on coming up until we get to the surface. Boom.
It does continue, but
It does.
we have to climb down.
We have to get, yeah, it's over. I can see it. I can see over there. But I don't know how we get the ROV over there because we can't take it out of the water.
No.
It needs to climb out of the water and back in again on the other side.
Well, that's it, folks.
Well, that was worth it
How
though.
about that?
That was good. That
How
was
about
good.
that?
Right, so I don't know how clear this is, but we are now looking at the mine plan that shows this part of the mine. So we walked along the blue, I don't know if this is coming out, we walked along this blue one here, it turns red, and then we sent the ROV down a stope, which is about here. And this is the level we got into, which is a 22 fathom level. So we walked along here, This is where the collapse was. We turned right. The level wasn't in existence yet when this map was made. And we're standing right here now. So we drove the ROV down into this level. It goes right. It goes left.
That's amazing.
It goes right. It goes left. It goes... That's the big kink where we stopped. Remember there was a big turn? And look at this. It goes down there and it comes into a different load right underneath the level we walked in on. So do you remember, months ago, we dropped this ROV down?
Yes.
It connects to that. Look, that's where it would have gone. So we were almost there. So it connects all the way.
The other one we dropped down was blocked.
It was blocked,
Yeah.
so it wouldn't have gone any further anyway.
No.
But it turns there, and then it goes straight, and then it hits that load, and then it goes to that blockage, because we sent the ROV down there. That is awesome.
Insane, yeah.
That is awesome. So there we are. As I said, I'm going to check the footage and make sure that it is correct, but I'm pretty sure it is.